Scott here. It's June 12th, 2023. It's been about a week since the last video. I'm excited to show off the garden. It's growing a lot. We've had some sunflowers and a lot of flowers blooming. Let's check it out. I'll start over here. These sunflowers here now are over 3 feet. I'm going to do some drone videos so you can get a really good idea of what's going on. We added some leftover wood pellets we weren't doing anything with. So we just used them here, threw them down on the base of this for see if it works as a fertilizer. Here's one. Starting to get a lot of color out here. It smells really good out here right now. You've got the fragrance of a lot of flowers going on. The teepee village is kicking. We've been harvesting a lot of strawberries from here. It's going full on. They're really good. It's a little bit swampy back here. When we fire up these sprinklers, we leave them in the spot for at least a few hours. Sometimes I'll leave them on overnight just to really flood it. It gets really excuse me, really dry out here. But going through here again, these are the giant sunflowers throughout here. And then through here I planted 8 different varieties of sunflowers: chocolate sunflowers, sun haze sunflowers, and a few some other names, but that's through here. This is all the tomatoes. We came through here, me and Scott Sr., the other week, and weeded this area out big time. It was full of weeds. Now you can actually see the tomatoes, and it's looking good. 5 of these rows out of the 6 are Roma tomatoes, and then there's a big beefy tomato that's the end row. We're going to be tying these up here really soon to the top conduit poles. String them up, let the vines grow up on them, let the tomatoes grow on them. These throughout here are potatoes. Wooded russet potatoes. In between them is weeds, but the bigger plants are the potatoes. And then that back one, those are yellow onions and red onions, Brussels sprouts, broccoli, and at the end is basil. A lot of color. It looks awesome. These are the raspberry plants, and they're starting to produce a lot of the raspberries. Getting really close to having a lot of them. Try to find one. It's good. It's kind of bit clean of the ripe ones right now. Randomly, these started growing. Say some type of squash from last year, so I just let it grow. Here we go. Zucchinis, 2 zucchinis, 2 yellow. Here's the basil. This right now is just kind of weeds. It's really hard to keep up on the weeds, but that's what that is. Sunflower, I just saw this one. Some of them are little sunflowers, littler sunflower plants, and a lot of them are giant sunflowers. Let's check out the giant sunflower maze. We got dumped on with rain 2 times hard last week, and it really helped out a lot. Again, more giant sunflowers, and these are a variety of marigolds. Oh, look at that green. The watermelons are doing good. Slow, but they're coming along. All right, sunflower mix. These are getting up past 2 feet now, some of them. And I've just been flooding it right now. That's where you see the water in the little pathways. I hit this hard with water. This is just a little project we got going on. We're building a little shed. Right now, a little 10 by 8, so yeah. It's looking really good. I've kind of guesstimated there's around 200, 250. I'll do official count here pretty soon in the future. But it looks really cool. Through the sprinkler. It's a lot of giant sunflowers. For me, anyway. I watch videos where they have fields of these, acres and acres. Well, that's a view from down here. Let's take a view from up there. See it from the drone. Whew. Thanks for watching.
Ha ha ha.